Let's hit the rooted side. See how it looks. Ooh, that shit is getting gnarly. Pressure's hooking well, guys. Ah, that's what I hit. I hit that tree root sticking up. We're gonna go, oh, wrong way. I don't see the spider though. We want to go back. Way. But we want to go this way. I'm done going that way. I don't mess with that way anymore. This shit's just too slick and muddy. Let's try to jump this. That's good. Kind of fun. Ooh, that's right. This is the swamp. Slow. I haven't ridden, guys, and oh man, it's been 3 weeks. No, this is the 4th weekend because of vacation, holidays, birthdays. It's my wife's birthday. My birthday's coming this week, so it's constantly. Past 30 days, guys, I apologize, has been really busy, but you know what? We've got to enjoy this thing we got called life, man. If you guys aren't enjoying it, or you guys have the opportunity to go out and do something, get away a little bit, you know, 'cause I know the days that we're living in right now are absolutely crazy. But if you guys got time, go out, go somewhere and enjoy it, please do it. You'll thank me later because it is crazy out. All this stuff going on. I hope everybody's well. Hope everybody's safe. Hope everybody's healthy. Just gonna ride over that, see how the tire pressure feels on it. Yeah. Running really low pressure today, guys. Really low. So far, so good. But yeah, so I apologize, guys, for, you know, being gone for the past few weeks like I have been. But I needed a break. I needed not a break from YouTube. I just needed a break from, you know, regular life. So I went on vacation with the family, my family. Oh, these mushrooms. And that was a blast. We were gone for a while there. And then as soon as we came back, it was my wife's birthday, and since it was her birthday, I got arachnophobia, guys. I think I told you guys that, but I do, truly do. And spiders terrify me, and you're gonna hit them back here and all that, but like, I have to get them off me. Like, if I see them in the distance, it doesn't bother me so much. It's only when I see them and they're on me, once I see them on me, I gotta get them off. I can't just leave them there. feel like I got them all over me now after seeing all them. Let me go down the hill. Let's see if we can make it up. It used to be one of our good hills here, but it got so messed up. Yeah, be no big deal. Just put up and show you guys. Tires are amazing. We're gonna go up my route here. New path. See that? Nice and easy. Catches firm. Ah, second gear is a little low. It's all good though. But so yeah, do me a favor, guys. Get out. Get out. There's that log. Inside the water. Touch you at a real hard angle. I'm going really slow right now intentionally because I want to talk to you guys and just kind of cruise along. So check out the trails. It's been a while. We were supposed to go to Bald Eagle and do a race. Unfortunately, we couldn't make it. One of our guys couldn't make it. No big deal. But we'll be going. We'll be going soon. But we couldn't make it today. But definitely get out there, guys. Enjoy life. So now that I updated you, touch base with you guys on that, I would also like to update you guys on something that it's crazy because there's not many people that have commented on it, which I guess that's good for the guys that are interested. So the original giveaway at 500 subs, I placed the order for all that stuff. I've received everything still but the Race Tech kit. So I came back. It didn't come before I went on vacation. And I contacted, like once I ordered it, it showed that it was in stock, but then it went to back order once it was supposed to ship. And I received all the other items that I ordered, but I didn't receive the Race Tech spring kit. So now that I'm back, I contacted Rocky Mountain, and not to bore you guys with all the details, but that's coming. That is coming now, and I greatly appreciate you guys for not freaking out on me or anything. I know that the giveaway was originally 500 subs, and I'm actually adding something to it just to make it up for, you know, you guys, whomever the winner is. But yeah, so there was a whole bunch of crap that got involved with that for some reason. I've ordered from them a boatload of times and I've never had an issue. And it wasn't necessarily something on there. I can't really say, I don't know. The amount of orders that they get, that's my luck. Let me just put it that way. That's my kind of luck, guys. Like, I've ordered stuff before in the past, and stuff that I've really been excited to get, or stuff that I really was hoping to get at one time. Usually I don't have any problems with orders, but I've had problems with orders before in the past, not from Rocky Mountain, but just in general. And it's, I don't know, that's just my kind of luck. So that's coming, that's happening. I wanted to update you guys on that. I got the oil, I got the ratio right, the 2 quarts of Bel Ray, 10-weight oil. I got all that stuff before I went on vacation, but I didn't get the Race Tech kit. And I just assumed it was because it was back ordered. So I'm waiting to hear back on that. Like I said, I just got back from all my personal business that I had to take care of the past couple weeks with vacation and birthdays and holidays and all that stuff. So I greatly appreciate you guys for holding out, and I appreciate you guys for not flaming me for it being, you know, I think we're up to 620 subs now. Awesome. I love you guys, man. Let's keep that number going up. I'm not going to deal with any of this ordering last minute stuff. It's kind of partially my fault. I apologize for that. But it doesn't help with all this Corona stuff. So that has been a burden on me with a lot of things in general in life, the coronavirus stuff. So I know that a lot of things were messed up. Just a lot of stuff in general, man. Getting, you know, my kids' school stuff together, because in the state that I live in, they're still doing the homeschooling, so I had to set them all up with computers. And my oldest had a computer, but my youngest didn't. So I had to set them up with systems. It's just been a crazy year, but it's been an even crazier past 30 days, guys. So again, thank you all very much for, you know, taking the time, having the patience on me. I really appreciate it. Let's hit this and hop this log a little. Try to do it. Try to hop the log. Shouldn't be a problem. Look at me. I'm a noob again. Oh, good. I don't care. Yeah. Hopped it. I'm gonna hit this sitting down. That was comfortable, I should say. So we're back. We are back though, guys. Except for my B-Day coming up. I might not be able to ride that weekend. Although, I'd love to do nothing more, but I may not ride that weekend. Let's go back down this. This is pretty steep. It's pretty steep. It's no big deal though. We don't want the front tire to wash out, so we're going to hit it with a little bit of speed. It runs the chance of washing out on us. That's how we do it. I've always wanted to go up that. I don't think I ever have. Let's try it. I'm taking it really easy right now because, man, I'm in second gear. Dog. Put her in first. Look at this route now, guys. It's crazy. Yeah. We're gonna go up this one. Although my luck is a really gnarly spider up there. You guys are probably thinking, hey, throw some, guy. Well, trust me, I got some. But spiders, man. Oh man. I don't know how to explain it, guys. If you don't have arachnophobia, it's hard to describe. Log real fast. Where's the old T at? Where's my homie G skillet? Pizza slice, home slice. So I was trying to do wheelies there, guys. Shit wouldn't dig. Hey T. I heard somebody honk their horn. Was that you?
Yeah.
It was?
Yeah, I've been riding around looking for you.
It sounded like you were up there.
Yeah. No, I seen your helmet. I just came through here.
Did you?
Yeah.
Yeah, I was actually over